Accessing your college systems from home. The most straightforward way to access all of the college systems is via the college website, gllm.ac.uk. On any page on the college website, scroll down to the very bottom of the page. You will see a button that says Staff and Learners. Click that button and you'll be met with links to all of the external Group Llanfairpwll Menai systems, including your email, Moodle, and EdRack. Clicking any of these will take you directly to that service. To access any of the services associated with Google, for instance Classroom or your Google Drive, sign into your email. Once you have done so, click the square Google Apps button in the corner and you will see links to your Drive, and further down, Google Classroom, as well as any other services you might need.